A very good evening to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and following all the protocols and guidelines of COVID. So, in this situation, we need to be at home and study hard. So, this is Seema Kumar in front of you, and today I'm going to cover the topic of wild animals. So, here you can see the image of wild animals. Hope you all enjoy my earlier videos uses of animals. Okay, in that videos we have learned about food from animals, silk, wood, wool and leather, how we get these all things from animals, about farm animals, about pet animals, how they entertain us, how farm animals useful for us. Now in this video today we are going to learn about wild animals. Here you can see the topic wild animals. So let's start our class. Okay, so children, first watch this interesting video till end to know more about wild animals. Okay, so what is wild animals? So animals that live in forest. Animals that live in forest, forest, are called wild animals. They do not live with us, because they can make us harm. That's why. Okay, the animals such as lion, lion, elephant, elephant, tiger, tiger, bear, bear, fox, very clever animal, fox, giraffe, giraffe, and owl, owl. So wild animal live on their own. They don't need us. They are not pet. They are not domestic. Okay, they all are wild animal. Okay, so they roam here and there. Why? In search of food and shelter. Okay, in search of food and shelter, they roam here and there. Now children, you understood what are wild animals, the animals that live in forest. Okay, now let's move on to our next point, that is homes of wild animals. So children, look here. This is a picture of human home. This is a picture of human home. As you know, homes are greatly important for us. Why? Because it protects us from what? From natural conditions like summer, hot summer, chilled winter, rainy season. So it protects us from natural condition, from other animals, from thieves and outside pollution. Okay, and now in this from corona also, we all should be at home and study hard. Okay, so this home is built on land, and humans live only on land. Where humans live? On land. On land, not in water. On land. Humans can live only on land. But animals, they can live on land, in water, on land and in water both. Okay, the next, like human, some animals make homes on land. Okay, here you can see how lion make their home on land, and that is called den, den. See, trees, how monkey, he is living on tree. And in water, you can see the octopus. Octopus. Octopus lives in water. Okay. While some do not need shelter. Okay, such as uh, you can see here giraffe, zebra. Okay, so there are some animals who roam in the forest, and this is a picture of what? Giraffe and zebra. They roam in forest and they do not need shelter over their head. Okay, and they live on land. They live on land, that's why they are known as wild animal as well as you can say land animals. Why? Because they live on land. Okay, so next. Okay, look here, children. This is a picture of crocodile. Crocodile. And this animals lives on land and in water. This animal lives on land and in water. On land and in water. Okay, there is the difference between the preposition on and in. Okay, so don't confuse with that. Okay, now children, this is a mole and it lives in a hole in the ground. Now children, you learned about homes of wild animals. Now move on to our next point. Okay, that is eating habit. Okay, that is eating habit. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what is the eating habit of wild animals? See, different animals have different eating habit. Okay, now children, look at this picture. This elephant, giraffe, rhinoceros. So these all are children. Now look these pictures carefully. What you noticed in it? You notice that these all animals are eating plants. Okay, this also eating plant, giraffe also eating plant, elephant also eating plant, rhino also eating plant. So what you noticed, these all animals are eating plants. So children, these animals are called plant eating animals. Why? Because they eat plant. So plant eating animals are called herbivores. Okay, so now let's spell it. Herbivores. So learn this spelling. Okay, very good. Now children, look this picture. Okay, this animal is also known as king of the jungle. What its name? Already written here. Lion. Already written here. This is lion. Lion. And what he is doing? What he is doing there? Yes, it is eating flesh. What he is eating? Flesh. So animals such as lions and tigers kill other animals and eat their flesh. Okay, tiger and lions kill other animals and eat their flesh. Okay, so such type of animals is known as carnivores. Okay, such type of animals are known as carnivores. Now, children, repeat behind me. Carnivores. Very good. Yes. Okay, so spell it and learn this spelling. Very good. Now, children, look at this beautiful picture. This is a kingfisher and this is a snake. So, animals such as snakes and kingfisher. Here you can see snake, here you can see kingfisher. So, they swallow small animals. So, this type of animals like vulture, vulture, jackal, jackal, and hyena, hyna. Okay, so they eat the flesh of dead animals. In this way, they help to keep our earth clean. Obviously, if they will eat all the dead animals, so obviously our earth will be clean. So they are called, what they are called? Scavengers. Now repeat behind me. Scavengers. Now spell once. Scavengers. Very good, children. Okay, now children, we finished learning about wild animals. Now that's all for today. So, what was this learning about a wild animal? See, learning about a wild animals, we have learned in this homes of wild animals and eating habits. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, till next class. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and watch that video. Get benefit. Bye bye, dear.